How to fix Roblox error code 279. So if you want to fix the Roblox error code 279, then this error code typically indicates a connection issue between your device and the Roblox game server. This means your device is having trouble connecting to the game server, leading to loading problems and disconnections. To resolve this, you need to launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for Roblox status. This is the website we are looking for. If you can't find the website, don't worry. Just go with status.roblox.com and it will take you to the website. You should check this box that says all systems operational. If you have any issues with Roblox, it will be shown here and then you can resolve the issue. If it doesn't solve your problem, then you have to check the troubleshoot option. Click on the start button and then open up your settings. And then under the search, which is on the left side, you need to search for troubleshoot. And once you click on the troubleshoot settings in the troubleshoot menu, you need to go with other troubleshooters. In this menu, run the network and internet troubleshooter. Go with run, which will be in the right side. In the pop-up, you'll see the current situation of your network connection. You will have some suggestions to improve your connection, such as restarting the Ethernet network adapter or checking the Ethernet cable connection. And this should resolve your problem. Following these steps can resolve Roblox error code 279. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.